Plotting straight line graphs. Plotting straight line graphs is an important skill in maths that helps you to see how two variables are connected on a graph. A straight line graph is usually represented by an equation, like y equals mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line and c is the y-intercept. This is where the line crosses the y-axis. Here is a simple and efficient method to plot a straight line graph using a table of values. To start, you need the equation of the line. Let's use the example of draw the graph of y equals 2x plus 1 for values of x from -3 to 2. The goal is to find the points that lie on this line so you can plot them accurately on the graph. To do this, you first create a table of values that will help you organize the coordinates easy. So first, you choose 3 easy x values for your table. Then use the x values from the grid you were given. Try to avoid negative ones if you can. Then find the y values by putting each x value into the equation. Then you plot each pair of x and y values from your table. And we can see here the table gives the coordinates of 0, 1, 1, 3, and 2, 5. Now you just draw a straight line through your points and remember to extend the line through all of the x values given in the question.